backyard railroader here today, and it's another weekend and another work on the backyard railroader, part 2 of the pond. So I'll show you what I've been doing. I've been doing some cement work, making up some more of these walls. I've been pouring the cement into these forms. And then when they're dry, I pull them out here. And today I got more of the pond to finish off this section here. I've done some work back there, a couple of branch lines. So today I'm going to be doing some more work down here. I'm going to be cementing this castle base in so it doesn't fall over and break anymore. And I got some more plants. Got a couple of plants over there, plant here, and a couple more in the house that I'm going to put back there. So, not too much else has happened on the train set, just a lot of cleanup. But let's get started. Okay, so I've cleaned out the riverbed, getting it ready for cement. So the way I mix this up is I have a bucket of water here. Take some of this white glue. It works as a good additive. Helps to, works like a bonding agent. Helps to stick stuff together. Instead of going out and buying the expensive stuff, I just use this. It seems to work pretty good. You want to use a nice fair amount, nice big size glob. And I get the Quickcrete stone mix. Pour it into the bucket. I don't want to use it all. I might need some for something else. And I got some of this Quickcrete sand mix. Put some of that in there. And we'll add the water. And give her a real good stir. Okay, so this is what I got done today. I got the more of the riverbed done. I got that plant up there planted. Looks kind of nice. A little filler. And I got the riverbed done up to this point. I ran out of these walls, so I'm going to have to make some more throughout the week so I can continue down. I don't think I'm going to go much further. Probably just right to here to this rock. Still got that plant to put in. And I put 2 trees in over there. 2 new trees there. And then I got the new tree here. This one needs a bit more soil around the base. It's coming along. And this is what it looks like from the back view. This is the back of the water fountain. I'm going to put a stone wall up around the border and then fill the rest of this area in with gravel like you see over here. And I'll clean this area up nicely. So it looks like till then I think I'll play with some trains for a bit. Got my little track cleaner running around. Still not a very fast train, but it's cute. Hey, I'm running the bigger train. See how it runs. And I got the little track cleaning car on as well. But here I'm running my trains and I almost forgot my hat. So, got my hat on, so now we're ready to play. The little guy's chugging away, and here comes the TH&B coming up behind him. And it's the little cleaner coming around. And like I said, it's the TH&B pulling up the rear. Oh no, TH&B's gonna collide. Better turn them down. Run, run, you're gonna get hit. Come on, little red, you're holding up the line. Oh no! Oh no! Is there gonna be a collision? Little red's being pushed. Oh no! Is little red being pushed, or is TH&B being pulled? Well, folks, it's kind of late. I'm kind of tired, so I think I'm gonna sit back and enjoy my coffee and watch my train run. So, remember folks, till next time, talk about trains.